Withdraw funds, you go to Co-op Wallet. I'm at Co-op Wallet right now. You go to withdraw funds. So now I get to set up my Google Authenticator. Now, everybody, this is so easy. Don't be afraid. It takes 1 minute to download Google Authenticator. When you log in, it looks like that. Right? So now watch this. I'm going to start this process right now. Set up now. I open up my Google Authenticator. Just like that, it's done. Just like that. It took a second. And now you put in your Google code, which protects your assets. And you should set this up sooner rather than later, because if somebody happens to get into your account, they can't steal your money because they don't have the Google Authenticator, because you need your phone. So make sure you set up that Google Authenticator right away, and make sure you change your password to protect the money that's in your account. Now, check it out. So you saw how easy that was. You're going to withdraw on the Ethereum chain. You're going to withdraw either USDC or USDT in this particular case. Here in Toronto, Ontario, I can't withdraw or access USDT and deposit to a crypto exchange that I have in Canada. I can use USDC, but I can't use USDT. But if I go to British Columbia, which is another province, I can use whatever I want. So make sure you check whether it's USDC or USDT and use the one that works best for you. You're going to withdraw USDC. When you have a third-party wallet, whether it be with Coinbase or Kraken or Crypto.com or whatever it is, because there's so many right now, you can't even name them all. You'll go there and you'll get a deposit address for USDC. All right. You put your address in here. That's not a real address. You put the amount that you want to withdraw, say $500, and it'll withdraw to that address. I'm not going to click on the withdraw, but that's all you need to do. I'll show you once again, going right from the beginning. I'm going to refresh my screen. So the first thing you need to do is you need to put in your Google Authenticator. And when you have Google Authenticator, it changes every few seconds, takes you to your wallet. You choose what you want to withdraw, USDC, put your address in there, put the amount in there, click withdraw, boom, it's done. It's going to be about $7 to withdraw. Those aren't fees by us. The fees to withdraw by Co-op Wallet is only 1.5%, but it'll be $7 for the gas fees. So beware of that as well. I always tell people, because of the third-party fees, you want to have at least $50 before you do a withdrawal, just to mitigate the fees. And by the way, so here's something else. So the same way that we upload your funds to your wallet once a day. So like, for example, on Monday when we had a really awesome webinar, so everybody saw the amount of money that they were making immediately on their dashboard, but it didn't get uploaded to their wallet until midnight. We upload in batch files, because if we didn't upload in batch files, we'd have to charge you a really pretty penny to upload the funds if we were doing them one by one. Visa does it in batch so that they're not charged the individual fees for every time that it happens. Conversely, and that happens between midnight and 1 a.m. Eastern time. Conversely, we send funds once a day, and we send funds at about 5 o'clock each day. We load the batches and we send the funds at about 5 o'clock each day. So if you've made a withdrawal for that particular day, the funds will land in your account sometime after, say, 5:30 Eastern time. So any time of the day you can make a withdrawal request, but it's only sent at 5 p.m. Did you guys notice that there's a hold? We hold funds for you so that we can automatically renew you on the C12, on the C28, and the C280. So it automatically holds about $325. It is your money, and you can turn it off if you choose to and withdraw it. But if you do that and you don't make enough money when it's time to renew, then you got to reach into your pocket and send money back to you. So it's better to leave the auto renew, auto upgrade turned on, because that ensures that you never miss a payday. And speaking about never missing a payday, if you turn off your auto renew, you won't be renewed, and it means you can't receive royalties anymore. And even if you have $1,000 in your wallet, if you turn off the auto renew, it's the system saying, no, this person doesn't want any more golden eggs, so it's not going to renew you. So I highly recommend that you don't turn it off. You know, if you turn it off and you withdraw your funds, you might give up, you might forget, you might say it's too much trouble. You might come up with 100 excuses not to repopulate your wallet so that you can renew. And think about how much you're going to miss out over the days, the weeks, the months, the years to come. So hopefully that explains why you don't want to turn off your auto renew, because this is really your goose that lays the golden eggs.